Today's topic is regarding how to visualize the running total or cumulative total in Power BI. Here in this Power BI document, I have a sales data table where there is date column and sales revenue column. My requirement is to visualize the running total of the sales revenue. And I'll do this by creating a measure without creating any calculated column here. For that, click on new measure. In the measure equal to, put here running total equal to. Then use the calculate function. In the expression of the calculate function, use the sum function, open bracket, then choose the sales revenue column of the sales data table, close the sum function, then put a comma. In the filter one parameter of the calculate function, combine the filter function. In the table of the filter function, combine the all function, open bracket, then select the table name, that is sales data table, close bracket, then put a comma. In the filter expression, select the date column of the sales data table, put here less than equal to symbol, then use the max function, open bracket, then select the date column of the sales data table, this one. Now close three brackets, then press enter. Here you see the running total measure is created. Now go to the report view, add here a line chart, increase the size of the line chart. Now expand the date column by clicking on this arrow, then expand this date hierarchy, drag and drop this day here in the visual, and drag and drop the running total in the visual. And here you see the running total line chart is created. If you want to display the data labels here, you can go here in this format your visual, scroll down, then turn this data label on. To increase the font size of the values in the data label, expand this data label option, scroll down, expand the values option, and increase the font size from here. If you want to display the values in 1000 format, you can go here in this display unit option and make it thousands. Similarly, to increase the values in the y-axis and x-axis, scroll up and expand this x-axis option, scroll down, expand the values option, then increase the font size from here. Similarly, for the y-axis also, increase the size of the font by going here in the values option, then increase the font. To increase the font size of the title, go to this general option, go to title, then increase the font size from here. So this is how you can create the running total visual in Power BI. If you want to practice this, download the Power BI document file from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video tutorial.